Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is the Bentley Continental GT, only one of 12 in the world. It is the Panglossian model. And as it stands right here, it is around 350,000 euros. I've got the key right here, a special design for the Panglossian with this crystal design on the sides. And the key feels also fairly heavy. The complete finish of this car is in rose gold, especially in the lower brightwear. And you can also see that the number 12 is in rose gold. So you might think this stands for the 1 out of 12 models, but it also has a W12 engine. It has a 6 liter producing 635 horsepower. So let's have a look here in the front at the exterior, because it has the very characteristic headlights for the Bentley Continental GT, and also with the crystals inside, very luxurious, and it matches the key with the side design. Furthermore, a large blacked out grille with the lower part carbon fiber details, and also the Bentley wing symbol on the top of the hood, which is also in rose gold. Looks very luxurious. And in this video I will show you the complete exterior, interior, the quality inside, and we will take it for a drive. So guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram, the link is down below, and I have amazing content special for you. I love this carbon fiber side skirt with the Bentley emblem on it. It also has a rose gold side line which extends all the way to the rear. And I love these 22-inch rims of Bentley with nice black Bentley brakes. And the rims are blacked out, matching the single tone exterior color. Black line beluga. So from the very broad shoulders we are moving into the rear side, where you can notice that this is the newest generation, also the new generation tail light design. Slimmer and very crisp and clear details. I love this spoiler that you can flip out with 2 separate buttons. And it has a quattro exhaust system with 2 pipes on each side. The rose gold Bentley emblem in the center, and nice blacked out lower part with the carbon fiber diffuser. Very aggressive. Soft closing doors. So let's have a look at what is under the bonnet of this Bentley Continental GT. Wow, it says right here W12, so a 12-cylinder 6-liter engine producing over 635 horsepower, and that must be amazing to drive in this coupe. So let's take it for a drive and I will show you the characteristics inside. So let's go inside. Here you can see the Bentley Panglossian emblem on the side of the door. And check this out. If you release the door, it will hold at any position. Amazing. Lovely rose gold interior design. So let's go inside. As I close the door, it has soft closing and the seat belt approaches. So let me press the button for the electronics to work. It says Bentley, and also the infotainment system screen appears. It is a full touchscreen system. And let's press the screen button again, and then you have a third layer. So it is actually a triangle design. Here it has 3 clocks in the center, one for the temperature, a Bentley compass, and a stopwatch. So I will just hit it again for the navigation system screen to appear. And here you can have a look at, for example, the home button, and scroll down to the navigation system. A gorgeous center console with again a lot of rose gold for the 1 out of 12 design. It has this clock here in the center console. Very luxurious design. A large storage area here in the center with your USB-C connectivity. It has a lovely old school design with the pins that you can push and pull out for the air vents. And this is all combined with the luxurious technology, for example the touchscreen system and this system in front of you. Because when you hit the right button you can see the navigation system screen in front of you, and if you hit view, the right part will disappear and the navigation system is even larger. So let's press the button to start and you will listen to this W12 6-liter sound. But first I will change the driving select switcher. It is currently on Bentley. You also have comfort and custom, but we will leave it on the sport, and in this way the exhaust mode is on. Let's listen. Wow. And I also noticed that it has two buttons for the spoiler in the rear. One to close, and with this one you can open it. Furthermore, an amazing interior design with a line flowing throughout the interior, and also the ceiling has nice perforation. And the crystal design which we saw in the front headlights are also noticeable here in the interior. For example, the air vents with crystal design, and also the indicators here behind the steering wheel. Speaking of the steering wheel, it looks amazing with the rose gold colored stitching. And now it is time to take it for a drive and listen to the sound of the flyby. Let's go. It also has the Bang & Olufsen sound system. You have to press the Bentley button and pull it towards you. There's also a camera, so if you put it in reverse, you can see the rear camera. With the touchscreen, you can change it. Panorama front and the rear. We will go to the front. I will put it into drive. And let's go. It is a heavy vehicle, over 2000 kilograms. And you also feel that the steering wheel is quite heavy. Amazing sound isolation. It also has double glass. So let's park it in this dark bus station. As you can see from the cameras that it has the 360 degrees camera package. As we get closer you can see it is very crisp and clear. As you can see the surroundings. And as we are inside, I will show you here by pressing the home button. Then car. Here it has the mood lighting. So you can have a look at the ambient lighting in the interior. It is so gorgeous. For example, red. And light green. But we will leave it on darker blue. And the seats are amazing, also with the rose gold Bentley emblem on it, with the perforation and stitching. So let me put it in reverse. And we will get out of the bus station. So guys, I hope you liked this video with the Bentley Continental GT, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.